My name's Stuart Strong. I'm manager of the Volks Railway on Brighton Seafront, and today we're making a short film on how to operate a mini digger. We're using one at the Volks Railway, and today we're doing some training with Glyn Davies, and we're very lucky to have him. I shall be taking some shots of Barry using the digger, loading shingle onto a tipper, and other things as well. He'll be doing pre-use checks. And I just hope you enjoy this short bit of footage, which will give you a small insight on how mini diggers work. So here's Glyn showing Barry how to do a pre-check. Taking the back off the machine, looking at the radiator. I expect the first thing they'll be looking at is the coolant levels. Barry's putting the gloves on. I've got the dipstick out now. Wipe the dipstick clean. Look at the oil levels, very important. Yeah, stick back in again. Expect that to be pulled out for a second look now. A bit of trouble getting it back in, letting it settle, drawing it out. Levels now, yeah, he seems satisfied with that. Straight back in again. Moving around to the other side of the machine. Check all the hoses are tight. Yeah, Glyn seems satisfied that Barry's doing a proper job there. They're looking at the coolant levels now through the vision window. Yeah, he's satisfied that that's full. Yeah, it's moving around to the other side of the machine. Barry's inspecting the tracks. Yeah, looking at the floor, make sure there's no slip hazards there. Discussing the lights. Checking the welds on there, making sure there's no fractures. Checking the seals, make sure there's no hydraulic leakages. Barry is now under instruction on mounting and dismounting the machine. He's putting the belt to one side. Securely strapping himself in there. Right, Barry's now started up the machine. He's lifting the bucket in readiness to take a scoop. What we're going to see now is Barry taking a load of shingle from the beach and then manoeuvring it over to the tipper, which is joined to the small diesel train. It's a Simplex Diesel that Red works. The power is off the line, the train being a diesel. There it goes. It's worth mentioning at this stage, we're only going to put a small quantity in. Using a smaller quantity in the tipper train keeps the balance just right for tipping it. There's the bucket coming in again.
finished, calling Glyn over.
job done, tipper's full, Glyn's on his way with the load. He'll deposit that and then he'll be back shortly. Tipper on its way back. Used to this by now. Just gonna check with Barry where he's positioned. I think Barry's sent him on a bit further this time. And there he goes. We've got two 9-foot long pressure treated sleepers here. Generally they go under the points. And Barry's going to lift them using the machine and convey them along the beach. He's first of all placing both sleepers against the front blade, and now he's going to position the bucket at the ends. He's now lifting the front blade off the ground. Putting a slight pressure there on the sleepers. Really good angle there, nice and parallel to the ground. They're transversal on the beach, the new position now. And here we have Barry traversing along the beach. He's picked his spot where he wants the sleepers. Front blades come down, followed by the front bucket. Done. Okay, the manoeuvre we're seeing at the moment is safe parking. Barry's particularly choosing a nice piece of firm ground. He's going to set the machine down here. The front blade's gone down, loomed down. Just placing the bucket on the ground. Stabilise the machine. Just checking the controls are all set. Switching the machine off. He's got the keys with him. Belt's now taken off, controls pulled out of the way. Making sure he's got the keys with him. Making sure he's held on to the 3-point contact there. Yes, he's dismounting correctly. We've come to the end of the training process now. We're back at the office, we've had a cup of tea, we've come in from the cold and we're warmed up. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank Glyn Davies for the hard work he's put in this week in training Barry up to the standard that he's got to now. Barry, I'd like to thank you very much for allowing us to film you. We're looking forward now to getting underway with the track work on the Volks Railway and look forward to many good years of using a digger with the proper certification. And thank you very much again, Glyn. Thank you.